This is the ceiling fan in my bedroom. It's an Encon spinner from the late 90s, I believe. I'm not very knowledgeable on ceiling fans, but I know it says Encon on the pull chain. I don't know how you can see that. It came with the house, and it's not in the best of shape. You can see well, maybe, the finish is all ruined right there. When I was a kid, one of the screws fell out. You can see it's taped right now because the lock washer is missing and I can't find one that fits. But when I was a kid, it fell out and I fixed it by taping the blade on there with duct tape, which was stupid. And when I peeled the tape off, it messed up the finish. It's missing the pull chain tassel thing for the light. But that's not that big a deal. I have seen a number of these fans on YouTube, but this one's odd. This is the only one I've seen that has rounded blade edges. All the other ones have stencil and are different. This one, the blades are flat white. I haven't seen too many fans with rounded edges, so this might be like an uncommon model. Anyway, without further ado, here is Hi. Doesn't move a whole lot of air, but it's decent. Medium. And low. On low it moves like no air. Well, I can feel a little bit of a draft. And off. I'll show you the top of it here. Let me stop the blades real quick. The blades are wood on the other side, but the finish is kind of scratched up, so... And I like the white side better. But there you go, there's my 42-inch, I think I mentioned it's 42 inches, Encon spinner. Thanks for watching.